Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we discuss about experiment number 1, estimated of blood glucose level by O-toluenide method. This is experiment of chemistry subject. So let's we start. Glucose is a major friend of cell, especially brain cells, where it is oxidized to give energy. Since glucose is much stored in brain cell in constant supply of glucose is essential for the normal function of brain. Glucose absorbed for the director mobilized from the reserve such as from the break of glucogen through gluconage is carried to the brain by the blooded. It is necessary for the normal living to maintain the blood glucose level. Several hormones depending upon the dietary condition control the blood glucose level. During fasting condition where the dietary blood glucose level is diminished, the blood glucose level is maintained by correcting the liver glycogen into glucose and synthesis of a glucose from non-glucose compound through glucogenesis hormones glucogen and appetite control. The action during well feed station when concentration of glucose in blood increase insulin, a peptide hormone act in the skeletal tissues and liver tissues, alters the permeability of the cell for glucose and glucose or more into the cell, where it is stored in forms of glycogen. Any disorder due to insulin deficiency causes diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus further classified in two types. Type 1 insulin dependent diabetic insipidus is one in which concentration of the circulating insulin is decreased due to limited or insulin synthesis. Type 2 non-insulin dependent diabetic mellitus is one in which the target cells are lost while the insulin is normally synthesized and secreted. Significance of blood glucose estimation. Okay, so यहाँ से blood glucose level can be estimated into two states, fasting and random. Now, fasting blood glucose level. This method is used to evaluate disorders of carbohydrates metabolism, diagnosis of diabetes mellitus, but insensitive method to screen for types of diabetes mellitus. Reference range 70 110 mg. This condition in which blood glucose level falls below this level is known as hypoglycemia. Causes of hypoglycemia are excess of insulin, hemolysis, and tumor in pancreas. If the fasting blood glucose level is above the mentioned level, then the condition is known as hyperglycemia. Causes of hyperglycemia is stress such as myocardial infarction, brain damage, concussion episode, trauma, general anesthesia, Kusinga disease, 7 liver disease, pancreatic curtain drugs such as direction drugs which help in the lowering of blood pressure, and corticoids also affect the blood glucose level. Random blood glucose level. This method is used also to elevate carbohydrate metabolism and usually used to diagnosis of insulinemia when the random sugar level is as low as